Well, guys, we got a complete garage again. Got her cleaned up. Just left my towels on top of the car. That's filthy. Corvette's all back together. Driving down the road. Now we'll nut and bolt everything and get her back together. Welcome to another YouTube. Tony Bosworth. Please like, subscribe, and please comment below. What do you think? And watch to the end. We've got some other stuff coming up, and I've also got a surprise in this video with another 69 Corvette that drove by today. So look forward to showing this one to you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Turn the wheel this way a little bit. Perfect. There you go. Happy Wednesday, guys. So in the background, you will see, guys, 2 69 Corvettes instead of 1. So this is Larry. Larry saw us working on the car, and he decided to stop by. So he has a 69 big block 427 4-speed car, and how long had about a year?
Had about a year. Yep.
So he's
loving it.
He's got sniper fuel injection on it. He's had completely gone through. It's a black car. We were talking about whether maybe not originally black, but as we were talking about, also who cares? But
That's right.
as you'll see in these following pictures. But Larry, tell us about what else you got.
4-speed. It's a Super T10. I just put coy wheels on it. At this point, the next thing is going to be aluminum heads. Rebuild, do the engine, build it up. Can't have it stock.
No. Tell these guys what your other cars are.
I've got a 98 C5 twin turbo 408 6-speed convertible roadster. It's got coilovers in the front. That's a blast. That's a blast. It's over 600 horse. And I've got a 94 3000 GT VR4 twin turbo car.
How about that, guys? That's unusual.
It's a blast. It's a blast.
Oh, good. Well, there you guys visit our YouTube channel and subscribe, and we've got a bunch of racing stuff on there. You can see I've got some in-car camera stuff from Mid-Ohio and a couple other events.
Awesome.
So,
Tony, I'll be there.
Yeah, welcome. Glad you stopped by.
Me
Larry
too.
just lives down the street, what, half a mile?
Yeah,
far?
about a half mile.
So he's passed my house. I'm sure I've passed his. And anyway, glad to meet you.
Great to meet you, Tony. Thanks for being there, and what a blast.
Thank you.
Made my day.
There you go. It's kind of nice. The weather comes out and all the guys come out.
Yep.
So we'll get back to the video, guys. We got the race car going. So you guys,
I think they had a different engine in here.
So no power brakes.
No power, nothing. No power steering, no air conditioning, no power brakes.
Yeah, I don't have any power brakes either.
No.
I do have power steering. I put a Borgensen unit in mine.
Yeah, you know what? I'm toying with that.
It's money well spent. It was $900 and it was easy to do. And
my steering is very ratchety, very loose.
It didn't seem too bad there. So this is the inside, guys. Beautiful blue. Again, 4-speed car.
All original.
All original interior. So he's got stereo out with the sniper system in there, and he's got plans coming here shortly to put the stereo system back in it, and that'll button up the interior. But she's gorgeous. And I can guarantee you guys, since he's just down the street, we're going to see each other more and get these cars out.